Hello guys, for today's video, mayroong nag-comment sa aking video sa YouTube na ang sabi niya, maaari ho bang magpaturo ng resolution dahil may building ho na itayo sa aming barangay, naging 2 health center, i-divert sana naming barangay office yung isa. Okay, sa nag-comment, ma'am, sir, tingnan niyo to kung mapit ba sa hinahanap mong resolution. Okay, let's start. Example, resolution number 30, series of 2025, whereas submitted to the body for consideration the following resolution to wit, a resolution respectfully requesting that one of the 2 existing health center facilities in Barangay Alimokon be converted into a barangay office. Whereas there is an existing building within Barangay Alimokon which is currently being utilized as 2 separated health center facilities, whereas the Barangay Council, after careful evaluation, has determined that 1 health center is sufficient to cater to the health needs of the community, whereas Barangay Alimokon currently lacks a suitable and functional space for a barangay hall or office where official transaction, public meetings, and meetings can be efficiently conducted, whereas converting one of the existing health center units into a barangay office would help maximize the use of existing infrastructures and improve barangay governance and service delivery. Whereas after series of deliberation, now therefore on motion of Juan de la Cruz, duly seconded by the members present, be it resolved as it is hereby resolved to respectfully request that the one of the 2 existing health center facilities in Barangay Alimokon be converted into the official barangay office. Resolved further to approve the foregoing resolution, carried unanimously. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe us for more resolution or videos. Please comment lang kung ano pang gusto niyong resolution na gawin ko. Okay, bye!